Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the idiom off the wall. Imagine your friend suggests wearing mismatched socks to a job interview. That's a little off the wall. Understanding idioms like off the wall helps you grasp everyday English and communicate better. So, what exactly does off the wall mean? Let's find out. Once, a new English learner heard someone say that party was off the wall. They brought a ladder and tried to take decorations off the wall, thinking that was the theme. Oops, that's not quite what it means. The literal meaning can be very different from the idiom's true sense. Clearly, off the wall means unusual, bizarre, eccentric, or unconventional. It describes something that deviates from the norm or is unexpected. The exact origin is a bit of a mystery, but it became popular in the 1960s, possibly from sports like baseball or handball, where a ball bouncing off a wall can be unpredictable. Sarah, a creative designer, presented an off-the-wall marketing campaign. Her colleagues were initially surprised, but the unique ideas eventually won them over. Her ideas were unusual but effective, perfectly fitting the idiom's meaning. His fashion sense is a little off the wall, but I admire his confidence. That movie was completely off the wall. I've never seen anything like it. Her idea of having a picnic on the rooftop was pretty off the wall, but it was a lot of fun. The comedian's off-the-wall humor isn't for everyone, but I find him hilarious. To remember off the wall, think of a painting hanging crookedly on a wall. It's unexpected and a little strange, off the wall. This idiom is considered slang and became popular in the US in the 1960s. Even Michael Jackson had an album called Off the Wall, showing it can mean exciting and different. Similar idioms include out there, meaning unconventional or eccentric, and out of left field, meaning unexpected and surprising. Another similar idiom is wacky, which means playfully silly or eccentric. Opposite idioms include ordinary, meaning normal or common, and conventional, meaning traditional or conforming to norms. Also, run-of-the-mill means average and not special. Related words are off-kilter, meaning unbalanced or not quite right, and zany, meaning amusingly unconventional and unpredictable. And quirky, having peculiar or eccentric traits. Remember, off the wall doesn't mean physically removing something from a wall. That's a common misunderstanding. While it's fine in casual settings, it might be too informal for formal business or academic situations. Not, I took the picture off the wall, but his ideas are off the wall. Now for a quick quiz. Which sentence uses off the wall correctly? A, the painter literally took the picture off the wall. B, her fashion sense is a little off the wall. C, he built a shelf off the wall. The correct answer is B. Her fashion sense is a little off the wall. So, off the wall means unusual or eccentric. Now you know how to use it. Can you think of a time you saw something off the wall? Share your examples in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.